Servus and welcome back to my channel. Today's Saturday, the 29th of September, and I have a plan today. We have this deep freezer, chest freezer, whatever you call that, and we need to organize it a little bit because it's like not organized at all. I'm tired of digging in there and trying to find stuff, you know. So yesterday I watched some videos how to organize a deep freezer and I got some ideas. So that's what I'm gonna try and do today. We're gonna go out and stop at the $1 store, 99-cent store, and all those cheap stores and try to find some buckets or baskets that I can put in there and organize all the stuff. So that's gonna happen today. We may stop at the Halloween store as well, party store, and yeah, I don't know, we'll see, because I want to look up some things. First stop is back at the Goodwill that I was in the last video. Just looking, maybe I'll find something here, who knows.
But first I gotta battle how. Are you recording?
Huh?
Are you recording? Yes, look there. I'm battling how. I am battling how.
Leave it to me. I looked at all these bags. Good morning.
Morning. Good.
You got all the kids with you.
Yeah.
You guys like to go shopping?
Not really.
$4.97.
Oh, sorry. No, they're not with me.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
These two are with you.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alrighty, so I found two small buckets. I don't know, they were cheap. One was $1, the other one was $2, and then $2 4-piece set of cups. So yeah, I don't know yet what to use these buckets for, but they were cheap, so I just took them with me. Off to the next store. So in our neighborhood, a new Dollar Tree opened. I only found it because I Google mapped where the nearest dollar store is, and this popped up, and I'm like, I'm sure there was no dollar store here yet. So there is a big sign on there. It says grand opening, so it did just open. That's pretty cool.
Micah, take the best evil Pokemon you can find.
Want to draw a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, draw a picture.
I got this. Is there anything on the back? This is actually a Pokemon. What? This. It's a Pokemon.
While I go and shop around. Dad,
You be the best.
show me the picture. Show me a picture. Yay.
Everything. Whoa.
taunt me. I'm on the run. Chris Hayes on the beat play seems to haunt me. I'm on the run. Let me fill you in on a story about my life. I've been doing everything to avoid the street life. So I hit the outdoor cribs life like it was a really good investment and I'll live my life right. But it took a wrong turn, now I'm on the run from the police, and I admit it's kind of fun, but sometimes leads to bad situations. Currently I'm hiding from the ghost in the basement.
Okay, this is what I have so far. And this is how it looks like inside. So far, we have a lot of those cooling thingies here. Since we don't have an ice maker, we buy ice of bags.
Got tied up in a terrible arrangement. Now I'm just trying to avoid incarceration.
Daddy is just some guy dressed up.
Yes, I know, but they really scare me.
Daddy, stop tripping. It's not police.
Look at them up there hiding in the trees.
Daddy, you watch too much TV.
What do you mean? We don't even own a TV. First the police try to taunt me. I'm on the run. Now comes play seems to haunt me. I'm on the run. First the police try to taunt me. I'm on the run. Now comes play seems to haunt me. I'm on the run.
Step out of here, Breezy. Deadpool's turn on the mic. We all know that I'm the one that all the ladies really like. Dual Katana's got me slicing and slashing. There's no denying. Spitting lyrics so hot that it's your at. It's your butt I'll be frying.
Hold up. Wait, hold up, wait a minute.
Okay, so this is what I have right now. All I've used was 3 baskets. I still have the other 2 that are being cleaned. And the white one that's like this, that I have not used yet. So I don't know if I am going to, but for right now, this is what it looks like. It's not pretty, but it is functional. So here I have open stuff, you know, some ice cream and whatever, like small bags that are almost empty. I have all in here. And then I have like other small stuff in here, the breakfast burritos and the little White Castle burgers. These are all in here right now. So all we gotta do now is just pick up a basket, and then voila, there's another basket. And then there's the toaster strudels here in here, what the kids like to eat, and you know, other medium to small stuff in here. And you just pick this one out. And then you have another basket right here, which has all the chicken packages and fish sticks and chicken nuggets and fries. They all fit down here on the bottom. And yeah, and then here on the side is a little bit space. This is where I just threw the rip rack down in here, because it fits down right down here. And then here is some microwave ready stuff. They always have been down there, so I'm just gonna keep them right here because they fit right there. I don't know, maybe I'll move it, we'll see. Yeah, and this is what I have so far. I'm gonna play around a little bit more with it. Maybe I can do a little bit even more better than this, but for now this is okay. It's definitely better than it was before, and easier to get to and easier to find, definitely. So with that, I am going to end this video right here, and I hope you liked hanging out with me today. And hopefully I gave you some ideas if you do have a freezer like this as well and want some more organization. Go to the 99-cent store. That's where I found the best baskets, like the blue ones, the big blue ones. I like those. They're from the 99-cent store, and there's a little bit smaller version from that. Maybe I should have gotten those, because I thought I could put these next to each other, but they're just a tiny bit too big, and I was contemplating to get the other ones, but then I thought maybe they're too small, but well, it's okay, So yeah, stack it up, you know, it's fine. Like I said, definitely better than it was before. All I have to do now is just take out the basket and just look through the basket. Much better, much better. I hope I gave you some ideas, and yeah, don't forget to comment down below, leave me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I don't like that tone. Take your mouth and your sword all the way back home. I don't condone that behavior. Leave my family alone. Hit you with the bow and arrow like Sylvester Stallone.
I'm a merc with the mouth that ain't just some you may play. You should have known all this better before you messed with cosplay.
Look, I am outie like an Audi, that's a rap. Deadpool is tripping, coming at me with the rap. I did not sign up for this, I am Ghost. Hit the freeway, I am running from these ghosts.
The police try to taunt me.
I'm on the run.
How cosplay seems to haunt me.
I'm on the run.
The police try to taunt me.
I'm on the run.
Now cosplay seems to haunt me.
I'm on the run. Running from cosplay. Cosplay ain't playing today.